Hey guys, what's up? I'm Jordan Crook with Techcrunch, and today I'm talking to Lua. So I brought in the co-founders for us. We've got Michael DeFranco, Jason Krigsfeld, and Eli Bronner. Thank you for joining me. What made you choose the name Lua?
Lua is actually an ancient Hawaiian martial art. It was a way that the kings and chiefs of the Big Island used to train with their warriors in the pitch black. And the idea was that these warriors would come into muscle memory and begin to move as one. When they entered battle, they'd have a sort of silent communication. And it's been my honor to apply the wisdom of my ancestors to the modern day workforce today.
What does Lua do? For those of our readers that don't quite know, why don't you tell me what Lua is all about?
Sure, yeah. So Lua is a communication system for mobile workforces. So we work with teams, companies, industries that have a percentage of the workforce that work outside the office on a regular basis. So we work with everything from hotels to airports to stadiums.
You know, what you're seeing now is organizations are outfitting their entire staffs with smartphones. So you have Androids, iPhones, sort of the new, Nextel, the new walkie-talkie. And in many ways, it's a boon for businesses. It's an amazing thing. But at the same time, it poses a whole new set of challenges. You have these incredibly capable phones, devices in your pockets that your entire staff is using. How are you now going to program them to achieve the set of business goals that you want? How are you going to screen out extraneous noise that isn't related to work? How are you going to avoid trying to implement fragmented systems? And really just enhance the way that everyone in your staff is collaborating over tasks. And that's really what our goal is to program your phone in a specific way to achieve those set of business goals.
Film was always a really great place to start. We chose that industry because it was a microcosm of different parts of the economy. You have a locations department, you have a construction department, food and beverage, transportation, and allowed us to study the different ways that mobile teams work in the field. So after spending our time in the entertainment industry, we thought we had a better grasp of the way that mobile teams were working around the world, and we wanted to enter that after our seed.
So how many customers do you guys have now, and who are some of the most important ones?
The ones that we're most excited about today are the Barclays Center. We've been helping them run all their NBA games, all their concerts, all their external events since the beginning of last season. We're working with eBay now today and some international airports. The big announcement we're making is by the end of the year, we're going to be opening it up for anyone online.
One thing that unites all of our customers is really the need for instant critical communication. And that means, being able to handle and address issues and make quick decisions around them. We see that across all our clients from the Barclays Center. They have thousands and thousands of season ticket holders, and their top season ticket holders have something called all access passes. These things allow them to, for instance, buy any food for free at any of their local concessionaires. But let's say their point of sale system goes down. That's 3,000 of their biggest clients that can no longer access what is one of the key parts of their package. So at that point, they get on our system, they create a group message and get all the decision makers on the line. They address the problem, make that decision, and by then are able to coordinate a bunch of representatives at each of these places to do manual scanning.
All right, well, thank you guys so much for chatting with me. I really appreciate it.